Facebook, please permit us to use the music for today and grant us the permission. It's time, my people. Everybody should gather. Follow Onyagala Nwanne Ya Media.
Brother Masubala, Makene, Sika, Kiwali, Sigilo, Basabo. Extra Emawana, yes, in Madam Makiwell and the Gilgo. Yamanabu Kaga, Makiwa, yes, and you, and the only nectar or sabo. Do her when Borabo, we can to us. Do her when Borabo, we can to us. Sabo. Atutala la nike, atuturo nike, niya bago kena. Atutala la nike, atuturo nike, niya bago kena. Otuakoga de, mbega fraga be, atutundega ora. Otuakoga de, mbega fraga be. Atutundega ora, Mama. Mafe bona chogebe afra, arokoya, kariamano. Mafe bona chogebe. Sarukoya, akariamano ulugo. Mafe bona chogebe afra, arokoya, akariamano ulugo. Manem bianara biafrado, bianaraya, iyawadere gem brother. Sinato bianara biafra, obana bianara biafra. Absaftinati bianaraya, abataya, iyawadere gem brother. Oh anile. Yala omo biafra, kani kele tukoti. Asemo wanile, yala omo biafra, kani kele tukoti. Onya furo no libo, besi ayi masi, masi namo dika. Obiabo wetobo Igbo na-abụ Igbo na ọ bụ onye Chukwu dị n'ọlụ Igbo ndụ m si na Chukwu akara aka m si na Chukwu na-abụrụ Victoria Nwankwọ ndụ m si na Chukwu akara aka m si na Chukwu na-abụrụ Victoria Nwankwọ
We have to take it from here. Nwaafọ Igbo na-achọghị Biafra. Ọ kara gị mma na ị nwụrụ anwụ maka ndụ nke ị nọ abaghị uru. Any Igbo son or daughter, even if you are 100 years old or more, even if you are 1 day old or less, as long as you have the Igbo blood flowing inside you, as long as you have the Igbo blood inside you, you are Igbo child, you ate, you drank, you are raised by an Igbo parent. You have Igbo grandparents, and you bear Igbo name, whether the middle name or the last name or the first name, and you are Igbo. Even if you do not know how to speak Igbo, but you have Igbo blood inside you, you are an Igbo child. And you say that you do not want Biafra, it's abomination to you. It's better for you that you were never born. It's better for you that you are even dead, because the life you are living has no meaning. We are Igbos. We have Igbo ancestral origin. And we believe in Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, Igbo teaching, Igbo practices, Igbo language. And if you say that you do not want Igbo, you do not want Biafra, you do not want our own freedom, it's better that you were never born. It's better that you're already dead, because the life you are living has no meaning. Now, the question is, who is the villain and who is the victim? The world has gathered the super countries, the people that call themselves super countries, call themselves first world countries, and know how to classify others as second and third world countries. Those people, they have gathered and they are working with their agents, the enemies within, and they have conspired on how to annihilate the Igbo race. And we said that that will never happen. It will never happen. As long as we have life flowing inside us, as long as we have breath, we can rise up and we move, we can talk, we can look, we can do anything. We will not allow 1 inch of our Biafra land be given out, we will not allow the invaders to occupy our Biafra land. It will not happen. My people, my Biafran people all over the world, I greet you, I welcome you. I thank you for joining at these special hours that we have gathered to talk about the freedom of our people, the freedom that other countries enjoy. And those people enjoy their freedom and they behave like they are the God that give us our life. They did not give us life. They did not give us our origin. They did not create the Igbo land. They did not call us the Biafra. In the world map, we all know that there is a bite of Biafra in the world map. And recently, the super world country or whatever they call themselves, they have been trying to cover the bite of Biafra. They are trying to eliminate it. They are trying to wipe it away so that history will be distorted for good. But we said no. Our history must remain our history. Our race must remain our race. We must practice our culture and we must practice our tradition. We must speak our language, the language of the ancients, because we are the Igbos. We are the Igbos, people of the Igbo origin. And nobody can deprive us of that. Because we did not deprive any nation, any country, any ethnic region their own. And for people coming over to act like they are the God of the Igbos, we say no. Who is the villain now? And who is the victim? Is it the people that are killing the Igbos, that are destroying our things, that are destroying our livelihood? Or the Igbos that said, we do not want to be killed. We need to sit in the house and protect ourselves. We need to sit in the house and protest for one day out of the week, on Mondays. And these people, they come, they want to kill us, they want to wipe us away, and now they are screaming. They are thinking that we are the people that they can easily intimidate. And then, the people also that we thought know the truth, the people that we thought that understand where we are coming from, are the ones that are coming out and screaming and calling us, the Igbos, the Biafrans, calling us criminals. Today is a very important broadcast because of the things that have been happening in Igbo land in the past 2-3 days. And everybody has been seeing that, and nobody is talking. And there are pictures that I want to show, and when I'm clipping and presenting those pictures, I want the wife of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, his wife, Uchechi Okwu Kanu, to take a good look of the clips, the videos that I will show today, and decide within herself and tell us who she thought or who she think that is the villain, the criminal, the cruel, the wickedness, the people that she can call the criminals. And also let us know who is the victim. And I want people like her, Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, Chief Iwanyanwu and his group to listen. I want our Igbo women and Igbo men that are in the House of Assemblies and in the House of the Senates in Nigeria to pay attention. I also want all the governors in the Southeastern region and their wives to pay attention, because you people are killing us, killing your own, because you are now in the position, you are in power. You want to wipe your own region away to maintain your power. Thunder will strike all of you. Thunder from heaven will strike all of you. Anybody that has a hand in the destroying of our things, in the killing of our people, in the name of Southeastern governors, in the name of the Southeastern politicians, in the name of whoever they call, whatever they call themselves. And you are, because you are in the power and you want to kill our own people to maintain your leadership, to maintain your power, thunder from the heaven will strike each and every one of you. You will never succeed, because the Igbo race must remain. We are the peaceful people. We are not finding anybody's trouble. My people, you know me. I am your sister and your daughter. I am Rosemary Williams, the Amazon. And today's date is July 27, 2023. And today is 27. Let me be sure of the market day. And today is Eke Market Day. July 27, 2023. And it's Eke Market Day. And we pray, as we always pray, that Eke will ketela ihe ọma, kepụrụ ihe ọjọọ. Eke ga-ekegide ndị niile bịara igbu ụmụ Igbo, kee ha ụkwụ ma aka gbọtọma ha. Anyị ga-azọ ha ụkwụ n'isi n'otu n'otu, because ala Igbo wuka anyị, onweghị ha ga-emeta anyị. Ise ise ise. N'asụsụ Igbo, taa wụ ụbọchị 27. Ma ịchịkwa ya na 27, ịchọkwanụ gị akpọ ya 7. Ụbọchị taa wụ echi ọnwa nke 7 gbara 27 n'ime afọ 2023. So we welcome everybody, and please tune in to Onyayala Nwanne Ya media broadcast and join. If you have anything you want to contribute, you can always call us. You can call the number on the screen, and then you can also send us email. If you do not want to call, if you do not want to talk over the air, if you do not want to talk in the media, you can also email us, inbox us, and we will respond to you. So my people, today we are talking about the atrocities that are going on in the southeastern region of of Nigeria. So they are trying to, kill us like they have always been doing. And Onyaila is saying, arise, Igbo, and defend Igbo land. Defend lives and properties in Biafra Republic all round. All around Biafra Republic. We want our people to rise up and defend our land, because it is our duty to defend our ancestral home. Our fathers and our forefathers defended the land. Our great-grandfathers defended the land. And that's why they handed it over from generation to generation until it's now our generation. We have to defend the land and protect it so that we can hand it over to the next generation. Ya ihe na-esi n'aka fere aka, o si n'aka fere aka wee rute anyị nwa bụ ndị nke n'ugbu aka. Anyị gakwa na ejichi ike jigidie nọgide hụ na onweghị ọgbahụ pem, ọ gaghị agba pem. Anyị gakwa na ewere nyefee ya ụmụ anyị na ụmụ anyị ha n'aka, maka na ọwụ onye nyere ya enye ibe ya. So my people, our people have been in tears, in agony, and it makes us to wonder, where is the loyalty of the United Nations? It makes us to wonder, all the super nations, all the super countries like United States of America, like Russia, like we all know that Britain is behind all the atrocities, all the calamities that is happening in Igbo land. We know that Britain is sponsoring the genocide of our people. We know that Britain is making sure that nobody survives in the Igbo land, so that they can come and take over our oil, they can come and take over our land, they can come and take over whatever we have that God has blessed our land with. Because when you go to UK, they have nothing. They have no natural resources. They have nothing. If you check United Kingdom, that's a UK, the British people and their allies, you see that all the gold that they used to develop their place, they stole it from Africa. All the silver they have, they stole it from Africa. All our artifacts, the artwork that our people had in those days, they stole them. Britain stealing from Africa, and Britain had been drinking oil from Igbo land from the time before the 1914. They made amalgamation. They have been drinking our oil. Because of our oil, they did not want to leave us. Therefore, they have to join us with other people because they want to put a tag in our land. Britain, leave us alone. You have killed us enough. That's what we are talking about. And now, the Southeastern Governors have maintained the genocide of their own people because they are the willing tools that have been used to annihilate their own race. It's abomination, and we say shame unto them. We have seen what Peter Mba of Enugu State have been doing. We have seen what Peter Mba of Enugu State have been doing. And Choma Oti of Abia State. We have seen what is going on in Aba. Choma Oti, you have seen what is going on in Aba. And you, You, Chioma and Peter, you have become the supplement of Hope Uzodimma. Two of you, you just came in. Do we blame you? Whenever you come in, you try to show muscle. And when you want to show muscle, you are using your own people to show muscle. We say shame unto you. Shame unto you all for what you are doing. We say shame. I will play this. These things happen in Enugu State in the past 2 days. Enugu State have been boiling. And Peter Mba is smiling.
Hey! Hey! Sit your motor, sit your motor. You're not also. Hey! Nigerian government has killed person again. You know, where the main market. Look at these people have killed somebody in Oberto. These people have killed somebody.
Nekwanu wande China, Nekwanu wande China, Peter Mba, hey, hey, Peter Mba, it would not be well with you, no matter, hey, Jesus.
Southeastern Governors, main market. We no go gree. Obura Peter Mba prepare business. Peter Mba is a criminal. We no go gree.
Police I wonder how many things are wait in a riot, and back what you shop, wait in a mesbota riot, and back what you shop on a Monday. Government house Ghana here.
my people, you have seen it. I just wanted you to see all of them that I wanted to show. The first one we saw, the Peter Mba. I want somebody to pay attention because we want to know who is the criminal here. Who is the wicked one? Who is the one indulging in the killing of our people? Is the government. If you think that you can corner the whole thing and turn it around, you are lying. Because this generation, we have media. Because we show it, when it's happening and we are showing it. So that people cannot go back and then they come back, they change the whole thing. Our people now have their cell phones. They have that little media in their hand. As it is happening, they are recording it and they are sending it out. You have heard that Peter Mba and his military invaded the Ogbete market in Enugu. You see what they did? They killed people. You have seen one of them. I did not want to show the ones that have gruesome looking, the ones that have blood flowing everywhere because of the media, so that I will not be, penalized for that. That's why I showed the simple ones. You see them crying, telling us that Peter Mba and his military and his men in uniform have come and killed our people. You saw that. And what did these people do? Nothing. For those of you who will be sitting somewhere or do not know what to talk, or somebody is pushing you and say, go and say something. Go and say something. Before you come out and say something, do your research. See where you are going and see what is happening. Know your facts. For anybody coming out and call the Biafran people criminal, that person, it will never be well with you. You want them to sit and be slaughtered, all of them, and our land handed over to foreigners. It will never happen. Not even 1 ounce of our land will be handed over to foreigners. Those of us that live in a foreign land, we did not come out and be claiming everybody's land. We have to follow the rule. We have to obey the law. We have to do what the people, the owners of the land say, this is how we want you to live in our land. And that's how we live. Therefore, anybody coming to Biafra land must abide by the rules, the regulations, and the laws of our land. There is no place in this world that do not have rules and regulations. Even down to the kindred level, the kindreds have rules and regulations. And we have seen from the time immemorial, the Igbo culture is interwoven into rules and regulations. Do unto others what you will want other people to do to you. It's one of our law. Live and let live. Biri can biri is another law of our land. Respect your elders. It's our law. Elders, respect your younger ones. It's our law. We have many different kinds of these small rules and regulations. We know that we have the other ones that we call abomination. The things that are no-go area. And we have other rules that says for interpersonal relationship. You cannot go to somebody's land and you snatch that person's land because you have money more than the person. The kindred and the community will tell you that that's not how to live a life. And they will let you know the right way to live with your neighbor. And now they are bringing out these people who do not know how we live our lives, and they are bringing them over. Not even to respect our people and say, okay, let me rent your house, or let me rent a land, or let me do something, how we can live. They let them come and eat all of our crops. And when somebody say, oh, your cow or your goat or your sheep is eating on my farm, they shoot the person dead. And then they give all of them AK-47 and they're flickering it on our people so that our people cannot talk. And then when somebody talk and say, do not kill my people, and you call that person criminal, you are the criminal. Whoever that saw a victim trying to defend himself or herself, and you turn it around because you see a bigger person with money, and you say the case goes to the other person or goes to the other round, then you are the criminal. Anybody that sees the truth and cover the truth in order to make ways or names for himself or herself, that person is the criminal. Not my people. My people are in their houses, in our villages, in our towns, in our communities. And all these useless invaders come over with AK-47, these nomadics, and the governors and the Nigerian government connive, conspired to take our land from us. It will never happen. Something here that I wanted to point out from the last video we watched. You see, when they are... What are they holding in their hands? They are just holding sticks. How can you hold a stick to go and pursue somebody who have gone? How can you hold a stick to go and fight somebody who have armored tank? How can you hold a stick to go and find somebody who have AK-47 plus the other guns and ammunitions that are bigger and more sophisticated than AK-47? Look at them. Nobody has a gun. And then when they come, they say, oh, they have come, they have come, they all run away. Because they do not have anything to defend themselves. They are helpless people. And you, because you are in the uniform, because you have power, because you think that the world has become your own, on your own palm, and you are going around killing your own people. For what? What did they do to you? You are the ones that said they should come out and to the market to buy and sell. And you are the one that when they come out to buy and sell, you bring your thugs and you are killing them. be. Peter Mba, it shall never be well with you. For you and your family and your generation, Peter Mba, it shall never be well with you. For doing this to your own race, to your own people, to the people, well, can I say to your own people, we don't even know if your father is a Fulani. You know, maybe you were born in Igbo land and you are given an Igbo name. Do we know who impregnates you? Because you do not act like an Igbo man. A slave like you, Peter Mba, thunder will fire you and fire your generation. Peter Mba, for destroying our people, killing them in the market and locking them out, God will punish you. You will never go free. And when the time comes, I am not happy when these people who connive with the Nigerian government come to abuse and wipe our people, come to make life hard and critical for our people. When it is their turn for them to get punished, then our people will be jumping around trying to defend them. Like the other one they call Emefle. He has been going about being a stooge to the Nigerian government. During the time of currency exchange in Nigeria, we saw the role he played. Did he know that he has anything about Biafran blood in him? He even denied that he's not an Igbo man. Look at how his name sounds, Emefle. Does that sound like a Yoruba name to you? But when they are in power, they are not Igbos. When they are in power, they are not Biafrans. But when the world start to, run on, then they scream, hey, my Igbo people, hey, my Biafran people, thunder fire them. Emefle, they get to go to jail. After all, it's Mazin and the kind of sitting in jail. What are you doing for us? You follow them, you sell your own people, you sell your blood. Now you have to go and suffer. I don't have an atom of pity for you. Not even 1 ounce of pity for you. And then I will also show you people this one. This one, as the Enugu State Governor was destroying our livelihood in Enugu State. We also see that the Abia State Governor allowed atrocities to take place in Abia State. Choma Oti, the new Abia State Governor, allowed this to happen in Abia State. He did not tell them to stop it. This one happened to Obebe. This is not Obebe. This is Ariaria. Ariariaba. You see people in their house. In the Ariariaba. In our market, in Abia State. That's where this thing is happening. The world is watching. The world is watching and doing nothing. The United Nations are watching and doing nothing. This is human beings that they are beaten down, killing. Even when they are dead, they are still beating them.
This now they don't show.
Even when they are dead, when they kill them, they are still beating them.
Half of this bush not even child.
Gunshots. Gunshots.
Well, problem is to do. No matter what that's well. So it's like this now.
Another side. These are people's homes. They are driving. People who live close to Annihilate market. They have to force them out. They have to beat them up. That's a human being. A human being, you see what they are doing to him. Nigerian military man. You see how they kill my people. You see how they kill my people.
I swear, man, mount.
You see how they kill my people.
Man, mount. Full squad. No good.
You see how they kill my people.
Chileke. Hey.
Seborang, karena bayar maraton. Sekarang.
You see how they kill my people. Shoma Oti. This is Ariaba. Shoma Oti. This is Ariaba. Now, I come to my people. Igbos, how long are we going to be running? How long are we going to be running? How long are we going to allow these people to be killing us? This is too much. Are there no people selling guns in the market? Why are you locking those guns? Share them out. Why are you locking those guns? If you are selling guns, why are you locking them? Share them out. Defend yourself. Look at, you are going to demonstrate. Not even one person carry gun. How can you go and demonstrate when you don't have gun? And when they come, they shoot. Once they shoot one person down, every other person will run away. How long is this thing going to continue? Peter Mba ahuya okwa agba ọbara. Peter Mba ahuya okwa agba ọbara. Shoma Oti ahuya okwa agba ọbara. Hope Uzodimma ahuya okwa agba ọbara. Tell me. Mmiri na-agba n'ahụ ha, ọrịa ọbara anya ya. Every time. Achọrọ umere nga ngwere n'anya mmiri ekwe aka ya n'anya. Arise, my people. Arise, my people. Arise, my people, and defend your lives. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. This thing is too much. Mrs. Uchechi Okukano, are you seeing what is happening? Mrs. Uchechi Okukano, are you seeing what is happening? Mrs. Uchechi Okukano, are you seeing what is happening? You call my people criminal. You are the criminal. You are the criminal. How long are we going to run? How long are we going to run? Igbos, how long are we going to run? We don't have any more land, oh. We don't have any more generation, oh. See how they are chasing us. We are running. We are in our own land. We are running. Arise, defend yourselves. Peter Mbahu Ababara. Orimirana. Otis. Ahu Ababara. Orimirana. Unu ga akparu gwachu. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. Defend yourselves. Somebody come to kill you. If you can kill the person first, kill that person. And if these governors in our land think that they are going to wipe us out in order to maintain their position, no, it will never happen. No, it will never happen. No, it will never happen. My people, arise. Okay, what do you for your issue corporal? Okay, what do you for your issue corporal? Okay, what do you for your issue corporal? Gaparongwa. It's too much. It's too much. And all of them that say that they do not want Biafra to come, they will be dead before the Biafra arrive, because they will never kill us and then they step inside our holy land. It will never happen. They must be gone. They must. This is too much. We are not going to allow this to happen, no. Defend our land. Land of the rising sun must be defended. Look at, they killed our brother in Ariaria. Look at him lying lifeless there. And then they come back again with gun. And there is no person that will snipe one of them down. If you're selling guns in the market and they're coming to lock you down and make it, you know that they can come at any time and push everything. Share those guns. Let people have them. The military. What makes the military is the gun they have in their hands. The only thing that differentiates a military and a civilian is that gun. Because without that gun, you can even knock their head on the floor. So if you have any opportunity to carry one, carry it. And when people are going in a multitude trying to demonstrate, and you have what? You have stick. You have stick. And what are you holding? Stick. You're supposed to be holding gun, not stick. If they're coming with gun, you go with gun. It's too much. I have to leave it here. Please share this. Let our people know that they have to defend themselves. So let our people know that they have to defend themselves. They have to defend themselves. And anyone feel Wabula, natural Biafra, Okala because your life has no meaning to us. Your life has no meaning to us. You better die.
Brother Masibala, Makene, Sika, Kiwali, Sigiro, Basabo. Yes, your Emma, yes, in a name, Madam, Makiwell, and the